Di ko talaga alam kung ano ang sasabihin ko. Or I mean, sana ko mag-umpisa.
But I can't help falling in love with you.
Hi, love. Today, I affirm my love for you and vow to share my life with you in everything.
But I can't help falling in love with you.
Kaya sa nursing career ko, parte ka sa mga inspirasyon ko. Lumipas ang segundo, minuto, araw, linggo, buwan at taon, you have grown into one beautiful being, my one and only.
Tayong dalawa.
Baby, thank you for being patient with me during my tupak times. Thank you for indulging with my cravings and needs. Thank you for accepting me and my big family.
Ikaw ang aking kapi.
Alam mo ba kung ano ang pinakagusto ko sa atin? Our friendship na humantong sa relationship and our future together as one, as family. Pero matagal ka na naging parte ng family na to, love. Hindi lang ngayon sa araw na ito to bind us as one.
Handa nating harapin sa dapit hapon.
As we journey into another chapter of our lives,
Hawak
let's make every moment count,
pa rin.
every challenge and opportunity to make our band stronger and be grateful every day. For in this lifetime, we are together.
Isa ay sa ating takip siling. Puso'y sa'yo.
Love, gusto kong i-take ang opportunity na ito para taus-puso kang pasalamatan sa lahat ng sacrifices na ginawa mo for me, for us, at sa family natin.
Tayong dalawa. Malaw man suliranin, ngiti ay di aalisin. Sumapit man ang
Ano na?
nariyan.
Ay, thank you! Ano? May gift ako. Oh, what's this? Relax, my love. Ang daming nagmamahal sa'yo, sa atin. Mahal na mahal kita. Always your Badjaw. Oh! Thank you! Oh, ano to? Sabi niyo.
They also find within yourself the courage and conviction to resist the many deaths by which love can die.
I do.
In its unique fullness, and to take the risk and to accept the vulnerability of that love again and again and again.
I really, really do.
Ah.
Kahit makalimutin.
Remember this, our sexuality is not a choice, but happiness is. Happiness is a choice. Love is a decision. And this is the decision you make. Tandaan niyo itong December 1st, no? But ultimately, the family that you'll create, it's up to you guys. Choose happiness. Masarap na may katuwang sa buhay.
Maliman ang klase ng pagmamahalan meron tayo, pero kung kasalanan man talaga ang mahalin ka, ito siguro ang klase ng kasalanan na buong puso kong pagbabayaran.
see you. My world blooms around you. The time lapse in a flash. I see
I love their family. Kag amo na binded as one, as family. Amo na nga ang inspirasyon ko gid nga i-give ang portrait para sa
to
ila.
the garden one day.
We're struggling really kay
This future
you know, we're big family and then only my mother nag-raise sa amon.
the only one
So we're really struggling, like a lot.
but I will wait patiently. Take all
Thank you, te. Huwag ka nang mag-worry about kay Dali. Kasi iti-take care ko siya. At saka, magiging blessing din kami para sa family niya.
try to be
Yeah, thank you, te.
love to build a sanctuary.
Thank you din lang. Salam.
Today is my wedding day. You made it possible, not just you funded it, but also for loving Dali as your sibling. I love you so much, manang ko. Always, mangod mo, Dati. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good fortune for me daw. Thank you. No love. Thank you.
You are my soulmate as we journey through life together. Regardless of my clumsiness and lackings, you have accepted me and loved me as I am.
Swimming if you don't want.
What makes a family a family? Love makes a family. Ang tunay na nagbubuklod ng pamilya, pag-ibig, pagmamahal.
You don't have to keep swimming if you don't.
Mahal na mahal kita, love. Ngayon at magpakailanman kung meron man talaga yon para sa ating dalawa. Salamat sa pagmamahal, pag-uunawa. Kaya natin to.
I will wait patiently. Take all of the time you need. I'll be here when you're ready. When the waves won't let up, we'll cast an anchor heavy enough to keep our road steady. I see you. My world blooms around you. I see you. The pure light you always held on to. I want you, and I want to be worthy enough to love you. I'll try to be worthy of you. Inhale
To infinity and beyond, till death do us part. I love you so much, baby.
every breath.